Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm presenting this cucumber mixed with cabbages and some other vegetables. This is very healthy vegetable salad because the vegetables are low in calorie but contain many important vitamins and minerals as well as high water content. Eating this vegetable salad may lead to many potential health benefits including weight loss, balanced hydration, digestive regularity and lower blood sugar levels. Well, these are the ingredients I'm going to use, so I'm going to prep them as we go. I'll start by thinly slice my onions. I'll use half of it. Actually, it's not even full, but I'll use half. That is just okay. Then I'll separate them so that you're left with loose onions. I'm going to soak it in a salty water to eliminate the bitterness. So in a bowl, I will add water and then add some salt and put in my onions. Adding raw onions to your salad offers variety of health benefits such as regulating blood sugars levels and also strengthening the immune system. Then I'll thinly slice my cabbages. When preparing any salad, the cabbages need to be thinly sliced to look nice and presentable. This size is just okay, or you can even go smaller than this. Once done, push aside to create more space, and I'll do the same with the red cabbage. Cabbage is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Additionally, cabbage is low in calories and high fiber, making it beneficial for weight management and overall well-being. Guys, if you're coming across my video for the first time, feel welcome, and if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing and like this video. Click that notification bell so that if I upload a new video, you'll be among the first to get notified. Watch the video up to the end. I'm going to prep my cucumber. I'll peel the outer part. It's not necessary. You can as well just eat it like that. Cucumbers have anti-inflammatory properties. It's loaded with fiber and water, but incredibly low in calories and sugar. It lowers blood sugar, prevents constipation, and supports weight loss too. And it also nourishes the skin. This is one of those recipes you'll use over and over, plus it's super versatile. This vegetable salad has really helped regulate my sugar level. I normally take it in the morning in an empty stomach before taking my breakfast. So if you are a diabetic, you can try it, or if you want to lose weight, give it a try and make sure you combine it with some good exercise. And if you try, bring back your feedback. You can cut it into your desired shape and size. Peeling and cutting this way is my own style. Push it aside to create some workspace on the chopping board. I'm going to peel my carrot, then grate it. Carrots are versatile vegetables that provide many health benefits, including vision. The fiber in carrots can help keep blood sugar levels under control, loaded with vitamin A and beta carotene, which are important for skin and bone. I'll grate my carrot using the big holes, and that will give me almost the same size with the shredded cabbages. I will add on my veggies in my salad spinner to mix them. I will add salt to taste and also to drain the excess moisture in the vegetables. Then I'll spin it for the vegetables to mix well. Then set it aside for the salt to do its thing, and I'm going to prep the rest. When making salad, don't use overripe tomato. This is a very firm tomato. I will cut it into chunk pieces and remove the seeds. When adding tomatoes to a salad, it's best to remove the seeds to reduce acidity, and also the moisture can ruin the consistency and make your dish watery. But this is up to you. You can as well just eat it. If you don't mind your other vegetables getting soggy, just add it. Me, I like my vegetable salad crunchy. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a valuable addition to salad. Plus, they add vibrant color and flavor to your salad. Cutting them into julienne to match the other vegetables like carrots and cabbages. Just thin like that. Then I'm going to prep my coriander leaves or dhania leaves. I will finely chop them and set aside. Then I'm going to prep my dressing. If you are diabetic, skip this. This is just for the side dish. And I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of mustard yellow. Then I'm going in with the lemon, squeeze some, about 3 tablespoons. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? Give me that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. Then give it a good mix to combine well. Then I'll add in some little black pepper for the flavor. Give it a good whisk. Then set aside and let's go to our salad. In it once more to drain all the moisture. Add in tomatoes and coriander. Transfer your salad to a bowl. This is where we are going to dress it. Adding in the soaked onions, ensure you discard the water you used to soak them in. Give it a gentle toast once more to mix well. Just be gentle. It seems my bowl is a little bit small. We are not adding any salt. Remember, I added the salt in the vegetables and also soaked the onions with the salt. So that salt is just enough. I'm going in with my dressing. Just spread it on top and give it a nice toss for the dressing to mix well with the salad. At this point, our salad is ready. You can serve it right away. If you like it chilled and tender, you can keep it in the fridge and serve it later. I like to serve it right away while the vegetables are still nice and crisp. All the information based on Google search, tried and tested. If you wish to add other vegetables, you can do your own research and just add any vegetables of your choice. You know if you're gonna try this vegetable salad, and I hope you bring back your feedback if you try it. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Support this channel. Thank you. Guys, thanks for stopping by and for watching this video up to this end. I will see you in my next. Bye bye.